Hey my penguins, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. So in today's video I'm gonna share with you all this easy peasy summer friendly makeup look with two lip options. One is a nude color and one is this bright popping purpley pink color, which I'm really loving. So I hope you're gonna like this video and you can choose whatever lip color you want. I just showed you two lip options so that all the nude lip girls out there who loves to pair up a nude lipsticks almost every single day, so that it would be helpful for you, and all the bright lip girls just like me who like to pair up a bright lip no matter what's the occasion. This lip option will gonna help you a lot, and I know you're all gonna love this, whether you are a nude lippy lover or a bright lippy lover. So without any further ado, if you wanna know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm gonna start off with a moisturizer, and for that I'm using the Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. It's really good for normal to combination skin, but for oily skin you can use it in winters. I'm not gonna suggest it in summers because it's a little bit heavy and thick, and it's really hydrating at the same time, so dry skin girls will surely gonna love this. Now for my sunscreen, I'm going to use the Lakme Sun Expert Ultra Matte Gel Sunscreen with the SPF of 50. As it's a gel based formula, that's why it would be really suitable for oily to combination skin girls, and for dry skin beauties I would suggest you to moisturize your skin really well before using it. And I've been using it from past a week now, and it has worked really well for me in controlling the excess oil production, and it really mattifies my skin well. Now I'm gonna use my favorite Maybelline Master Strobing Cream in the shade Nude, and I'm gonna apply it on the high points of my face, like the cheekbones, on my chin, on the tip of my nose, on my forehead, and also on my cupid's bow. And it's a really great liquid highlighter at an affordable range, and it really helps in giving that perfect glow from within look. It's nothing over the top, and there are no chunky glitters. It's really have that sheen which for a no makeup look is really necessary. I mean, I always use this one whenever I'm going for a nude or no makeup look. Just see that glow. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild concealer in the shade Medium Tawny, and it's a close match to my skin tone, so I'm going to use it on under my eyes and also on those areas where I have some pigmentations. So when you're going for this kind of look and you don't want to use any kind of foundation and you just want to cover up some pigmentation or some scars here and there, always go for a concealer which has similar tone just like your skin, so that it will help to conceal those dark spots and those unevenness on your face. And here I am using my finger to blend out the concealer, because the warmth of the finger always works well in blending out the concealer, so that it really merges with your skin and it becomes like your skin like. There are no artificial lines or your face doesn't look cake up, which you don't want in summers. So always use your finger while blending your concealer. And also whatever concealer is remaining on my fingers, I'm gonna apply it lightly on my eyelids so that there are no darkness. Now to set my face, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 20 Light Medium. And firstly I'm going to set under my eyes, and I'm also going to set my T-zone because I have combination skin, so I sweat a lot on those areas. And I'm not going to mattify my whole face because I'm not going for this matte effect look. I'm going for more of a glowy base. So I'm just gonna set all those areas where I've applied concealer, and whatever product is remaining on my brush, I'm lightly gonna dust it all over my face. Now to add some color to my face, I'm gonna use some blush. I'm not going for contouring, and here I'm using the Maybelline Color Show blush in the shade Fresh Coral. And with the same brush, I'm gonna apply it on the apples of my cheeks so that my face looks a little bit more rounded and chubby, as I have quite sharp and structured face. That's why I directly add blush on the apples of my cheeks, and also I'm applying a little bit on my nose and also on my chin to give a flush of color. Now to highlight my face, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter, and it's a beautiful champagne highlighter, and I'm going to apply it on the cheekbones first with the help of a highlighting brush. And look how much glow it gives. I just touched it once and this much glow it provided. And with the help of my finger, I'm gonna blend it a little bit with my skin so that it really becomes one with my skin. And I'm gonna apply it on my tip of my nose and also on my forehead. And you can apply highlighter as much as you can. If you're like me, you just can't stop yourself, because I'm a highlighter junkie and I love to apply highlighter, and I really love that glow it provides. Just see how glowy my skin looks. And I'm going to use the same highlighter just on the center of my eyelid so that my eyes doesn't look completely barren. So I'm just applying a little bit glow over there, and it really makes a huge difference. Next, I'm going to use the Miss Claire eyebrow kit to fill my eyebrows, and I'm not going for those sharp edgy kind of eyebrow look. I'm going for more of a feathery kind of look. So I'm just gonna fill in the gaps here and there, and firstly I'm gonna use the black and a little bit brown to fill in the tail portion of my eyebrow. Then whatever product is remaining on the brush, I'm just gonna feather it out on my frontal part of my eyebrows. See, it's not that much made up kind of look, but you should always fill in your eyebrows whether you're going for a natural look or a more party kind of look, because it really makes a huge difference. It frames your face really well and gives you a proper structure and makes you more attractive. So doing the same thing on my other eyebrows. You can see I haven't done much, but still it makes a huge difference. Now I'm just adding the same highlighter on the inner corners of my eyes, because I feel that whenever I apply a highlighter on my tear duct area, it instantly pops up my eyes and also opens up my eyes a little bit more, so my overall face looks more awake and fresh. And I'm also applying the same highlighter on my brow bone area to give that lifted effect to my brows. I'm just gonna curl up my lashes and give them a good lift so that my eyes look more awake and open. And using my favorite mascara, Maybelline the Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'm gonna use 2 coats of it because I'm not going for any kind of falsies, as it's a natural everyday kind of makeup look and it's also beginner friendly. So those of you who doesn't like to wear lashes on a regular basis, you should always apply at least 2 coats of mascara to give your lashes the spidery effect. See how much difference it makes. Now for the nude lip color, I'm going to use the Lakme Forever Matte Lip Color in the shade Nude Twist. It's a beautiful peachy brownie lip color which will suit fair to dusky skin girls really well. And for medium skin tones, it will gonna suit the most because it brings out the warmth of their skin really well. And it's one of my favorite, and it's quite affordable as well. I think it's under 300 rupees. I'm not sure, but it's really affordable, and also it's pure matte and it stays on your lips for a good amount of time until and unless you use something oily. Only after that it gonna come out from the center of your lips, so you have to reapply it. See how beautiful the shade looks. Now for that bright lip color, I have used the MAC Retro Matte in the shade Flat Out Fabulous. It's one of their best selling lip color and it will suit each and every skin tones really well. It's that in your face kind of shade, and it's a more wearable purple color with a lot of pink in it, so you can always go for this color if you want to wear a purple but nothing too dramatic. It adds that perfect amount of color and brightness to your face, which really flatters in summertime especially. Just see how gorgeous and beautiful the color looks. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video, girlies. Bye.